Yes, hello students. Now today we are going to revise chapter number 1, number system. Okay, now see, the decimal expansion of a number under root 2 is which type of number? Under root 2 is your irrational number, that we know, and the decimal expansion of irrational number will be non-terminating and non-recurring. So I am writing non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, come on, question number 2. The decimal expansion of a rational number cannot be, okay, it cannot be again non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, now the third one, see, these two are irrational numbers like a minus b into a plus b form. What we know, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, now what I have written, under root 10 square minus under root 6 square. Under root 10 square is 10 and under root 6 square is 6. 10 minus 6 will be 4. Okay, come on, the next, see again, the same, just like no, a minus b into a plus b. So what will come? A square minus b square. Okay, 2 root 3 square minus under root 2 square. 2 root 3 square means what? 2 square is 4 and under root 3 square is 3. So 4 3s are 12 minus under root 2 square is 2. So 12 minus 2, what will come? 10. 10 will be your answer. Yes, come on question number 5th. See here, 5 root 2 plus 8 root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 4 root 2. Okay, you have to simplify this. Okay, for simplification you have to see the like terms, no? See, this is 5 root 2 and here is minus of 4 root 2. If we subtract, then what will come? 5 minus 4 is 1 and under root 2, so I am writing only root 2. Okay, then you see, this is root 3 and here is root 3. These two are again which type of terms? Like terms. So 8 root 3 plus 3 root 3. 8 root 3 plus 3 root 3, this will be plus 11 root 3. Okay, the next, come on, here is minus sign, no? First we have to remove this bracket, no? See here, minus 3 root 5 and minus plus 3 root 2. Then check it, what is the answer? Again what I said earlier, like terms. 8 root 5 minus 3 root 5. This will be your 5 root 5. Okay. Now here minus 4 root 2 and plus 3 root 2. This will be minus 1 root 2 or you can write minus root 2. Come on. The next question. Question number 7. Under root 2 plus 2 root 5 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Okay, that I know. I think you also know. A plus b whole square you also know. A square plus 2ab plus b square we all know. Then what will come? See, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, under root 2 square is coming to 2 2s are 4 under root plus 2 square is 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. Then what will be? 22 plus 4 under root 10. This is your answer. Yes. Question number 8. 3 under root 8 upon root 2. First of all, 3 is as it is. What I can write under root 8? Under root 8 means 4 2s are 8. Under root 4 will become 2. So I am writing 2 under root 2. Okay, under root 2 is down here also. Under root 2 to under root 2 cut, 3 2s are 6. It's very easy. Okay, now the next 9th question. Under root 5 plus under root 20 plus under root 125. Under root 5 is as it is. Okay, under root 20, what can I write? See here, for you, see here, like this. Okay, under root 125, 125 means 25 5s are. Then what will be under root 5? Under root 4 will be 2, and under root 5 outside. Under root 5 is 5, under root 5 outside. Now how many are there? See, 5 plus 2 7 and 8. 8 under root 5. Okay, this is your answer. Come on, the next. See here, these two are in fraction. So what to do? Take LCM is 6. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 is 1, like this as it is. 3 2s are 6, then 2 2s are 4 will come here. 3 root 3 minus 4 root 3, this will be minus under root 3 only will come, and this is your answer. Yes, come on, question number 11. This is 12 root 15 upon 4 root 3. You have to simplify it. Okay, clearly directly I am simplifying on the question here. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, under root 15 can I write here? Under root 3 into under root 5. Okay, on denominator under root 3 is already there. Root 3 to root 3 cut. This answer will be 3 root 5. Okay, similarly same thing. 4 under root 28 it is. So I am writing under root 7, 7 4s are 28, no? Under root 7 into under root 4. And under root 4 will become 2. Clear? Now 3 root 7. See, cut. This will be 4 2s are, yes, 4 2s are 8. And denominator 3 is there. So 3 is. Okay, come on. 0.1 bar. Can I write 1 upon 9? 0.2 bar. This is 2 upon 9. 0.3 bar is 3 upon 9. That we know. Okay, 9 is the LCM. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 upon 9. Then simplification will be 2 upon 3. Okay. Then 0.11. So we can write 11 upon 99. 0.12. 12 upon 99. Okay, 99 will be the LCM. 12 plus 11. This is your 23 upon 99. This is your answer. Yes, 15th question. 3 root 3 into 4 root 3 into 5 root 2 into root 2. Okay, 3 4s are 12. Okay, root 3 into root 3 will become root 3. Okay, here 5 is, and root 2 is into root 2 will be 2. Okay, 12 3s are 36. 36 5 2s are 10, no? 36 10s are 360. This is your answer. What is rationalizing factor of 5 plus root 7? This will be 5 minus root 7 clearly. Okay, you have to find the value of 1 upon, yes, 1 upon x is what? Root 13 minus root 12. This is root 13 minus root 12. And what will be rationalizing factor? Root 13 plus root 12. So I am multiplying and dividing this. Okay, numerator as it is, denominator a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a square minus b square. See, root 13 into root 13, 13. Okay, root minus, then root 12 into root 12 is 12. So this is your answer, root 13 plus root 12 upon 1. Okay, this is the answer. The next question number 18. The cube root of 125 is divided by square root of 100. What is the meaning? Cube root means 125 power 1 upon 3, divided sign 1 upon, this is divided sign. The square root of 100 is like this. Okay, cube root of 125. 125 I can write like this, and 100 it is there, division sign. 100 it is there, so 10 square power 1 by 2. Yes, this is 10 square power 1 by 2. 3 to 3 cut 5, divide by, no, this cut 10, this is 1 by 2. Okay, this is now next. Yes, question number 19. 0.40 into 0.40 minus 0.39 into 0.39. This is just like a square minus b square. This will be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, if I add these two, this will be 0.79, isn't it? Into, if I subtract, then what will come? 0.01. And after multiplying, okay, then what will come? 0 point, this is point here, 0079, because if I remove it, then after 4 places I have to put decimal. How many zeros are? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, I have to put decimal here. Similar one question is next 20th. Same question, that's like a square minus b square. This will be a plus b into a minus b. If I add this, I will get 1.81 into, after subtraction same thing will I will get again 0.01. Then you can remove it, or you can do directly also. This is this. Okay, then 0.0181. It means after 4 places, 1 2 3 and 4, I have to put decimal. This is your answer. Come on question number 21, x is given to you root 10 minus 3. Then you have to find the value x plus 1 upon x. Okay, first of all you find 1 upon x. 1 upon x means 1 upon like this. Okay, after that you have to find rationalizing factor. This will be, because minus sign is here, then under root 10 plus 3 is your rationalizing factor. Numerator multiplied by 1, then same number, and denominator a plus a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Under root 10 square is 10, definitely. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, so 10 plus root 3 is your value of 1 upon x. Okay, and you have to find x plus 1 upon x. What is x? Under root 10 minus root 3, and 1 upon x under root 10 plus root 3. Okay, 3 to 3 cut, under root 10 plus under root 10 is your 2 under root 10. This is your first answer. I can write like this. Okay, and come on question number 22. 81 power 3 upon 4. Okay, 81 means your 3 power 4, no? Then 3 upon 4. So you can cut. This is your 3 power 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. This is your answer. Yes, come on. Question number 23. Under root x power minus 1 into y dot and multiply sign. Under root y power minus 1 z. Again multiply sign. Z power minus 1 again x. Okay. So I am taking whole like this. This is reciprocal is given, so this will be y upon x. This is z upon y. This is x upon z. You can cut by this 1 and here 1. under root 1 when 1 will come. Okay, then come on the next question number 24. Solve 2 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 32. So 2 power 2x plus 2, 32 can I write? 2 power 5, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This is 2 power 5. Okay, now base is same, then powers will become same like this. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 2, x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3, send this 2 down, this is 3 by 2.